This homemade device helps to load full 50-liter drums into the machine. The device is made of durable metal pipe. The device is semi-circular and welded. This is a manufacturing process. Manufacturing process of bearings in a factory. This process is fully automated. This allows you to minimize production costs. You see the process of punching holes on metal parts. This part is used for the manufacture of refrigerators. If the production processes are automated, then this increases labor productivity. More productivity is increased by specialized tools. This tool helps to quickly loosen bolts. Homemade meals are always very tasty, especially if these dishes are prepared by such a beautiful girl. This dish is made from dough and minced meat, and then steamed. These are high-level workers. They make shoes in a shoe factory. First, the shoe blank is stretched over the shoe last, and after that the sole is glued. Have you seen these movers? They carry large bales with one movement of the hand. Of course, these packaged materials are light, but skill is still needed. Now you see the process of drilling wells. Wells are drilled for different purposes. For the extraction of water or oil. This process is time-consuming and requires special equipment and machinery. This is the production process for the manufacture of water supply pipes. Pipes are made on special equipment. During operation, the machines get dirty. Weather conditions and dust on the roads contribute to the pollution of the car. But fortunately there are car wash services. Here the car is washed and it becomes like new. It is a woodworking and timber harvesting process. Woodworking machines take part in this process, which allow you to cut a lot of trees and transport them to a furniture factory. This is the process of transporting eggs in a poultry farm. This is a CNC lathe. On such a machine, you can grind any metal parts and blanks. Metal parts are used in the manufacture of machines. Builders do hard work. The process of plastering walls takes a lot of time and effort. Stub plastered walls were smooth using grinders. Street chefs prepare a variety of fast food. And the chef prepares this dish from instant noodles. This is an automatic pastry pie making machine. This is an automated process that can only be controlled by one person. Therefore, the products have a more affordable price. This is how bicycle wheel repair works. When using glue, the hole on the wheel is sealed and the bike can be used again. The mechanism for cutting any surface is made of durable hardened steel. Therefore, it has the ability to saw both the trunk of a tree and a concrete pillar. Unloading and delivery of building materials to the floor requires a lot of strength from movers. But this method of delivery of building materials reduces physical costs and saves time. CNC lathes are widely used in factories and factories. They help to produce accurate parts that I use to repair or build equipment. These parts can be made to order. This part is made with the ability to screw threaded bolts into it. This will create a solid structure. The chain manufacturing process at the plant is fully automated. This is an unforgettable sight. It is very interesting to watch this production.